Now let's talk about the workflow file because this is where the real power kicks in. Workflow file is a step-by-step list of what your agent should do in order. You write it in plain English. The agent reads it. It follows the steps. That's it. The magic is that you can build workflows for almost any task in your business. Gen workflow, customer onboarding workflow, daily check-in workflow, reporting workflow. Each one is just a file. You build it once and your agent can run it over and over. The thing that makes Symphony special is how all three pieces fit together. Boot skill is the rules. The workflow file is the steps. Playwright is the hands. Without the boot skill, the agent breaks the rules. Without the workflow file, the agent forgets the steps. Without Playwright, the agent can't touch the web. Together, they make an agent that can actually finish work. Let me share what surprised me the most after a few days of using this. The amount of time it saves on the small repeat tasks. The stuff you'd never want to hire someone for, but it eats up an hour a day. Checking listings, pulling info from a few sites, copying data into a sheet, sending a quick update. All of that can be wrapped into a workflow file and run by your agent in the background. You set it up once. It runs for you every day after that. Another thing I noticed. The errors went way down. Before Symphony, my agent would mess up about 1 in 3 jobs on long tasks. This setup is closer to 1 in 20. That's a huge jump. And it's because the boot skill keeps the agent on the rails. Workflow file keeps it moving. Playwright keeps it from getting stuck on web pages. Let me walk you through how to actually start using this if you're brand new to it. First, you need an OpenAI account that has Symphony turned on. It's free. Second, you'll want to set up Playwright CLI on your computer. There are simple guides for this, and once it's installed, you don't have to think about it again. Third, you write a basic boot skill. Just a few lines telling your agent how to behave. Fourth, you write a simple workflow file. Pick one task you do every day in your business. Write it out as steps. Then run it. That's the whole setup. Once you have it running for one task, you can copy and paste it for 10 more tasks. The hard part is the first one. After that, it's just adding more workflows. Here's where it gets interesting for business owners. Most people watching this aren't engineers. They don't want to spend their day writing code. The good news is you don't need to. Boot skills and workflow files are written in plain English. You're not coding. You're writing instructions like you would for a new hire. If you can write a how-to guide, you can build a workflow.